Good morning, everybody. Our next chapter of class 6 is of subject science is chapter number 10. Can you tell me long ago which was the means of transport to cover the distance? Do you know at that time there was no any means of transport. People were moving from one place to another place on their foot. They were covering the distance by moving on their foot. After that, what happened with the invention of wheel? It made some easier. Cart were made, and with the help of animals, that cart were driven. But till it was taking some time to cover the distance. With the then next, that wheel was improved and cycle became. After that, with the invention of steam engine, automobiles, we got the faster means of transport. And with the help of these all means of transport, it was very easy to cover the distance in less time. So now our chapter is about measurement of distance and motion. We are talking about that with the help of aeroplanes it was easier for us to move. It was taking less time. How we got idea that it was taking less time? Because we were measuring that distance and we were calculating the time in what time we are moving what distance. So next is why there was a need to measure the distance. Imagine you are in a room. Can you tell the exact size of the room? Can you tell the exact length of the room by any idea? No, it was not possible. And next, if we talk about anybody is asking from you, what is your height? You can't tell without any measurement. If we next one, if we are going to a tailor, you are asking him to stitch a new dress for you. He will ask from you about your measurement firstly. And if you are going to a shop for taking the, he will ask from you how much of the cloth piece you want, and you can't tell without any measurement. It is difficult to tell. If you have any table, you can't tell the length of it without any measurement. So for these, measurement is very important. Measurement of length is important, measurement of distance is important. Then next, what is distance? Before measuring distance, we will cover this. What is distance? Distance is the total path length covered by an object on a road. If a car is moving from point A to point B, it is covering some length. So the total path length covered is called the distance. Next we talk about measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with some known fixed quantity of the same kind. And that fixed quantity is called unit. We are comparing an unknown quantity with some fixed quantity, that is called unit. Next, measurement is involving two things. One is describing the numerical value of a measure. Numerical value, it means if we are measuring this length and this one is 3 and second one with it come its unit. One is a numerical value 3 and second one is a unit in which that quantity is being measured, whether it is meter, whether it is centimeter, decimeter or kilometer. We will discuss about these units later. As we have done, firstly that there was no any means of transport. People were covering the distance on foot. The same way, there was no any idea about the measurement with any device. People were measuring the length, breadth with their body parts. Now we will do the need of standard unit. Why there was a need of a unit? We were talking about that the meter is the unit of length, and why was there a need of this unit? People were using their palm, handspan, foot and footstep, and the cubit. Cubit is actually the distance from the elbow to the tip of the fingers. The distance, the measurement, the length which was measured by the body parts, it was not exact. How? As there is the difference in the size of the palm of the two persons, there is a change in the hand span of the two person. If one taller boy is there and one smaller boy is there, there will be the change in size. Smaller people have child have small size of their foot, and young people have big size of the foot, so there will be the change in measurement. It was not accurate. These units were not reliable. It was not possible to measure the exact length, exact size. For this, each country developed its own system of units. Every country have developed its own system of units, and the units which are developed all over the world, which are common all over the world, that are called standard units. That are called standard unit or SI unit. Now question is there, why was there need of the standard unit? Because if the people are measuring the length with the unit which was developed in their own country, it was difficult to measure the same length in other country if there was a change in that unit. So standard units were made for the uniformity all over the world. So if we are transporting any material from one place to another, from one country to another, there was a standard unit with which we can do the measurement, whether the quantity that we have got, it is containing same amount or not. Now we will read about the SI unit of the length, standard unit of length, which is developed all over the world, that is called meter, and symbol for it is small m. Next we have our SI unit m, meter, which is the lengths which we are measuring. Some are small length, some are of shorter distance, and some are of very big. For example, if we are moving from Mumbai to Delhi, there is much distance between the two cities. There is very large distance between the two cities. On the next point, if we have a pen, and how we will measure its diameter, how we will measure its length, it is of very small length. So there was difference in the lengths, there was difference in the distances. Some are of very large distance, some are of very short length. So for measuring these small and large lengths, we have some another units of length which are millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, then meter. We will proceed to downside and there will be kilometer. It is meter and 10, 100, so 0.1. It's a 0.1. It is 0.01 and it is 0.001, and here will be hectometer or decameter. This will be 10, 100 and 1000. The distance between two cities we are measuring in the kilometer because it is the large. And for measuring the diameter of a pipe, for measuring the diameter of a pen, we are using millimeter or centimeter, which are measuring for very small length.